In this video we will use some select statements and use where clause to filter our results. We used asterisk in the select clause before, that will show us all the columns in that table. But what if we want to see only the columns of our choice? The solution is that we can provide the column names after select clause and limit the columns according to our need. Now let's query two columns, name and age. After running this query we can see that the output has only columns name and age showing in the output area. Now let's use where clause to filter our results. Let's fetch only the students, those are 14 years old. You can put any criteria in your where clause using a valid SQL operator. Here we are using equal sign operator. So in this video we used select statements to fetch selected columns. In the from part of the statement we provide name of the table. And in the where clause we provide the criteria using a valid SQL operator. Like we are using an equal operator here in the where clause. In the next video we will show how we can query data from more than one tables. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.